G'day, welcome to Shop Talk 10, and in this particular video I'm going to be talking about why giving away free computers doesn't hurt your business, or in particular giving away old, essentially e-waste computers does not hurt your business. So I've been in business now for over 5 years, and over time you tend to build up a fair bit of essentially e-waste. With the right repair being so big, it's always good if you can get a computer back out there in the world that's usable to somebody. It's worthwhile doing. So I sell brand new computers, I sell brand new laptops. The people that are coming in for those aren't looking for these kind of machines here. So here we have an old Acer Aspire, a little Atom machine. So this one, 1 gig of RAM, 80 gig hard drive. It's not a powerful machine. It's certainly not a powerful machine, that's for sure. But these particular machines here, I've been putting Linux Mint on there. It's essentially a free operating system that's going to be more secure than Windows. And I essentially just give these away on Facebook Marketplace to people that would need them or they think they could use them. Now these people here that would be using these kind of machines aren't the same people that are going to be buying a brand new machine that costs $1,000, $1,500. You're essentially helping your community by being able to give away these machines and have them usable, or in a pretty much a usable state for people purely just to jump on Facebook, maybe go on Netflix, do a little schoolwork, whatever they want to do. It's entirely their business what they want to do on there. I don't ask questions, I just go, here you go, here's a working machine. Granted, those people at that current point in time may not be able to afford a machine from you. Giving them away to them, who knows, down the line circumstances change, they might save up a bit of money and then come in and buy a brand new computer from you, from your generosity. But also there's the community aspect of it as well. I find that giving these away, it's something that costs me nothing, or costs me a little bit of time, very little time considering it doesn't take long to install Linux Mint on these machines and upgrade them to what needs to be upgraded. So I find that aspect very straightforward. I can do that while I'm doing my paid jobs, so there's no real issue there. And then it also, on the e-waste side of things, you're essentially saving an older computer from going straight to the bin. So these computers here are getting a new lease of life. People that previously didn't have a computer are now getting access to a machine. It's overall helping everybody. It's building up a reputation for yourself and goodwill, that you're happy to help the community, happy to help people that require essentially free machines. Granted, you are donating your time, but it's not like they're coming in with a broken computer and going, please fix this for free. It's, I've done this, it's here. If you would like one of these, you're more than welcome to it. So I do find that overall giving away free old computers does not harm your business whatsoever. It merely helps your community, helps e-waste, and helps your reputation. That's all. Bye.